Welcome to the SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition Manufacturing Highlights for 2502 release. Do you want to improve customer service levels between 97 and 100%, establish lead time reductions of more than 80%, reduce inventory by 30 to 45%, and lower total supply chain costs? Then I'm excited to introduce an innovative approach once again in the realm of demand-driven material requirements planning. With our new update for 2502, you can override the individual lead time for a product, plant, or an MRP area using the business add-in buffer level zone update. This means you can tailor them to perfectly fit your unique business needs. How does it work? Once this business add-in is activated, you can view the custom buffer level zone calculation for products while creating a proposal in the Schedule Buffer Proposal Calculation app. You can also view further details about the business add-in adopted proposals in the Manage Buffer Levels app. Experience the difference today and elevate your extended production planning capabilities to new heights. Let's delve into our next innovation in production versions, which are crucial for manufacturing your products. The enhancement provides two unique types of mass edit functionalities tailored to meet your operational requirements. First, foreground mass edit. The foreground mass edit ensures completion and accuracy before any other actions can be taken. With this option, you will need to wait for the mass edit to finish before proceeding with other actions. This option is ideal for tasks requiring precision and focus. Second, background mass edit. With background mass edit, you can multitask and maintain productivity. Perform various actions on your production versions even as the mass edit runs in the background. Enjoy the flexibility to create, edit, lock, unlock, check, and delete production versions simultaneously. This option is perfect for busy teams who need to keep operations running smoothly without interruptions. Unveiling my last innovative game changer in quality management. Manual certificate receipt creation. This innovation allows you to record receipts of certificates within SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition, even if the physical goods haven't arrived yet. Imagine receiving a certificate for a purchase order via email. You can create and manage the certificate receipt. Here's how it works. When you receive a certificate, simply create the certificate receipt manually through our intuitive interface and attach the received certificate. When the goods for your purchase order arrive, SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition automatically locates the corresponding certificate receipt. The system then updates the receipt with the material document, ensuring all your records are synchronized and up to date. Furthermore, from the moment you input your purchasing document and item on the creation screen, you will have immediate access to a list of existing certificate receipts for that specific combination. This feature isn't just convenient, it's your safeguard against duplicate certificate receipts, ensuring your processes stay smooth and error-free. Dive into the SAP community for comprehensive insights and embrace the power of SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition manufacturing and transform your business today.